Corina, ang dami ko nang tiniis in the name of loving Joey. My mom told me for somebody so intelligent, bakit pagdating sa lalaki, napakaboba mo? Totoo, nagpakaboba ko para kay Joey. I'll address this now. Tinakot mo ko bago ako umalis. Sinabi mo sa akin na may ibubunyag ka. Joey, alam nating dalawa kung anong pinagdaanan ko ng March. Nagpa-doktor tayo. Alam mo kung anong ginawa mo sa akin noon. Alam mo rin, dahil may records, bumalik tayo sa St. Luke's para magpa-check. Dahil kailangan ko ng insurance noong August. Alam mo yun. Kung yan ang balang gagamitin mo sa akin, if you want to destroy me because of that, you know what you did to me.
Do you care to elaborate on that, Chris?
I don't want more skeletons in my closet. This can destroy me, but I'm prepared. He gave me a sexually transmitted disease in March, Corina.